Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the session 24 from the playlist of work, power, and energy. The topic is the average power and the instantaneous power. And based on this topic, I have written here 5 important points which will help us to understand this topic in brief. So, power is basically the rate of doing work. So, this is the basic definition of power. And the second point is the average power. Now, the average power is equal to the total work done divided by the time interval, and this is equal to W upon T, where W is the total work done and T is the time interval. Instantaneous power is basically the power developed at a particular moment of time. So this instantaneous power can be written as dW upon dt, and so dW can be written as F into ds upon dt. Now ds upon dt is the instantaneous velocity. So instantaneous power is also equal to F into V, where V is the instantaneous velocity and F is the net force acting on it. And so the basic difference between the instantaneous power and the average power is that average power is equal to the total work done divided by the time interval, and instantaneous power is the power developed at a particular moment of time. Now the fourth point here is that power is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is watt, and 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. And the last point is that 746 watt is equal to 1 horsepower, and 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt, and 1 megawatt is equal to 10 to the power 6 watt. So in this session, I just wanted to tell you the difference between the average power and the instantaneous power. From the next session onwards, I will be coming up with the questions from NCERT exemplar, from the IIT-JEE examinations, from the NEET examinations, and from the previous year board examinations. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.